With zipBoard, you can review websites, web apps, e-learning courses, images, videos, and PDF documents. You can share reviews using annotations, markups, and screen recordings, and you can track and report issues. Once you think you are done with your project, you've gone through all the comments, you've gone through the annotations, and you're ready to add your stamp or your signature, you can do this with the toolbar on the left-hand side. Here you have your stamp options. You can add your signature, but we already have a stamp uploaded. You can place it into your project and resize it. And then you can choose how you would like to checkmark it, and in which boxes. You can also add a timestamp, and you can print this with the stamp on it, already checked off and added the timestamp. Companies that use zipBoard see an overall return on investment within 5 months. zipBoard customers also save an average of 30% time on their digital development. Choose zipBoard and sign up now.